Today's show is sponsored by Lost River Inn. Call them at 1-812-865-4496.
Good morning, I'm Joni, and this is your PHS News Today for Wednesday, October 31st. Enjoy this video about Halloween trivia.
Live zombies.
Of course, Thriller.
Pumpkins.
I have no idea, but probably the three rudest people in this school.
The ashes of all IU fans.
Already thinking about lunch? Check out the cafeteria serving up today. The Games Club will have its first meeting of the school year in Mr. Lindley's room during homeroom today. If you want to be a member, you will need either $2 or 2 non-perishable food items. Membership will remain open until November 9th. After that, only those who have joined can participate in Games Club meetings or activities. And now to Audrey with your Ram Sports Report.
Thank you, Joni. In honor of football sectionals and band heading to state, we are having dress-up days this week. Today is Halloween costume, tomorrow's Decades Day. Seniors have 90s, juniors have 80s, sophomores have 70s, freshmen have 60s, 8th grade has 2000s, and 7th grade has 2010. And on Friday is all out purple and gold. Back to you, Joni.
NHS and NJHS are sponsoring a food drive until November 9th. Please bring all donations to your first period teachers. The first period with the most items per student will earn a breakfast treat. Check out this video. And now to Colin with your weather report.
Thank you, Joni. As you can see here, we don't have much chance of rain, but we should see some later in your day. Today's high of a 66 and a low of a 49. Thursday's high of a 53 and a low of 42. Friday's high of a 54 and a low of 37. Back to you, Joni.
The Fellowship of Christian Athletes will meet Friday at 7:45 in Mr. Lindley's room. RSVP if you plan to attend. And now to Audrey to interview Mr. Newkirk about the Community Pep Rally.
Thank you, Joni. Mr. Newkirk, tell us a little bit about the Community Pep Rally Thursday night.
Thursday, we want to celebrate our band and our football team and some of the other groups in the school here at 7 o'clock in the upper gym. That's when it will start. The band will play some music. We'll introduce a lot of our kids. Mr. Walker, our new superintendent, will give a little speech. So just a great time to come out and celebrate the Ram athletes and band.
Mr. Newkirk, what time does it start?
7 o'clock on Thursday in the upper gym.
Thank you. Back to you, Joni.
I'm Joni, and that's your PHS News Today. Have a spooky Halloween.